Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by deciding why this matters and what counts as urgent. Once done, check D&D settings for exceptions and add the person to VIPs or allow repeated calls. That lets your attempt ring through more reliably. Next, craft a brief message. State the time window, the action you need, and a one-line consequence if unanswered. Use a clear subject or prefix like urgent so filters treat it differently. Act now, don't wait until the problem escalates. Once the initial steps are set, broaden channels. You should send a concise SMS and an in-app message simultaneously. Text often bypasses D&D if repeated or urgent. Make a timed call during likely awake hours and leave a short voicemail with a clear CTA. If the person remains unreachable, ask a trusted mutual contact to nudge them. Make sure to record what you tried and why, because that reduces repeated attempts. Finish by locking in a clear follow-up. Set a 30 to 60-minute window and tell them exactly when you will try again and why. If there's still no response and the matter is critical, escalate to their emergency contact or arrange an in-person welfare check. Make sure to leave a single, calm voicemail that states the consequence and next step, then step back. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing gets through, verify they haven't blocked you and try a different device or caller ID before escalating further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.